Marcelina here.
And Magdalena here.
Welcome to our channel. We're gonna make bath bombs again because the other time the bath bombs didn't work, so it was a fail.
And we're making
Pink, purple, and blue.
Yeah.
So
I don't like blue. Don't know you like pink.
okay, let's open this up.
Yeah, I'm
Let's open it up.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna open this first.
Look at this. Look at this.
Here's my blue one.
Feel my.
Look, I have a star.
A pink star.
You have a unicorn. That's not fair.
Yay! We have the unicorn. Nice. And look at this.
Let me open this
Look at-
purple one.
look at the back.
Let's see what animal is it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show
Look
you.
at it. Now pink. I like pink.
Oh, wait, let's open
It
it.
doesn't have to know.
Oh, it is a unicorn too. It's a pink one. We're gonna pour this baking soda. We're gonna come on all out, and we got all the stuffs out of it. Wait. Oh, okay. Wait, let me cut this one. Ready?
You know how to touch these? You know how to touch these first?
Not yet. Okay. Look at this. Here. Okay, now we're gonna pour everything. It smells good.
Yeah.
Mine smells like blueberry. I feel like it
Mine
smells like I ate a candy.
Look.
It smells like candy.
Goodness.
I smell it.
I can fit all of it. Mine, okay.
This is
Is there one
purple.
now?
This looks pink.
Do you know the one else?
No, we poured all of it.
Look at them.
We got
I
all
don't
this
want to
stuff.
put all of it. I don't want to put all of it. I don't want to.
Yeah, we're supposed to pour all of it.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna get some water, fill it all the way up to here. I need to help you, Marcia. You did. So, a little bit more. Just a little. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna. Okay.
You know, Monos?
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mommy, let me.
Now we got the
I
other one.
want to make mommy's.
No,
Why?
you have to mix yours. Okay.
Okay, no.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it.
Maybe mix it next.
We're gonna mix this first.
Look at this. Look at my first. I know my
This was
first.
so
Look
good.
at my first. You done mommy. Look at mommy. I want to make mommy's. The mommy not here. On mommy. What is that?
That looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks good. Because when I put it like that.
Or maybe like this. Not like this.
Okay. Now we are gonna open this one, this bag.
I'm not like here. Mom, Nina is really throw. I need to wake her. Yeah. Mommy.
Where's the other baking soda?
Look
Oh.
at them.
Oh, this is for this one. Okay. I thought we were missing one, but never mind.
Mommy.
Stop. No. You mix your own, and I mix mine. Because I do it quick.
Do you want to be all of it?
Yes, you post it.
I don't want to be all of it.
You post it. Okay.
So I want to make.
Now we mix it again.
I want to make mommy first.
You mix yours.
But I want to make mommy.
I got hers. Okay, now this is beautiful.
Oh my.
Cool. Mix yours. Marcin, mix yours.
Look at Tinon. Tinon, what did it do?
You're spinning it.
Okay. Let me make
Way more.
Okay.
Oh, it's because the bowl is little, that's why. So yeah, that's why it looks too a lot. You have to mix it until all of the white stuffs are gone.
Like Tinon!
No, that one still has white stuffs. So keep mixing, Marcin. Okay, so we're gonna put the sprinkles first. Sprinkles first. Yeah.
You have 30 dice. Look at this.
You gonna put the sprinkles.
Sit down, look at mommy. Down on one.
They look so edible.
Yeah.
They're not edible.
And it'll be.
Put this white one. Okay.
Get a mommy.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it.
How about you?
You supposed to put it. No. Wait, get this. You get this.
What?
Okay.
Mine?
Wait, I'm gonna open it.
Mine. Where's mine? Oh, yes, here.
Let me see, Marcin. Let me see your thing. This one.
Then we put the butter.
Then we're gonna put a little bit of powder on top.
Look at the bone. Don't
Just get some.
I mix it. Now put some fire. Look at mine.
Don't put all of it. You have to leave some for the toy too.
I know.
Put a little bit more.
Maybe put more. Mine.
There we go. Now we're gonna put my toy, my star, right there. Then we're gonna put more.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I forgot to do the purple one. Let me do the purple one. And then,
Go ahead, mommy.
okay, so let me get some.
I want it. Mine. Mimic it.
Let me get
It then be a little more. Four. May whip in my. Nina, I'll whip in mine. I'll whip in mine.
So I'll put a little bit more, and then you're gonna go to the other
Nina,
top.
a little more fire. Don't Nina have this one.
Just a little
Yeah.
flat.
With that. Flat, 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 flat. Look at the sprinkler. Do down. You see that?
There's some sprinkles on it. Oh. Let me just close it up. We're done, and we put them in here.
Actually, my actually,
This is yours, actually. This is mommy's. This is Comment down below which one's your favorite color. Okay, and we have to wait. We have to wait for 2 hours, and we'll show you how they came out.
Did you look at the mine?
That's fine. And we have extra, so we can do more. So yeah. Bye. We're back with the backbones because we were showing you how to make it. Now we're showing you how it turned out. So let me see the backbone. Oh, mine's just okay. So we got this part. Now we
Look at the wire.
okay.
Look at mine.
And let me see the sprinkles. It's all over the place. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna dip it in there. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Whoa! It's gonna make purple. No! Oh, look at mine.
Look at
It
mine.
feels weird. Hey, she's trying to mix it. Look, it's gonna put it all over the tub.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. How it turns.
Look at mine.
Look, hear the fizz. That's so loud. Wow,
Yes,
this looks like this looks like indigo. What's so purple in there? Mine is just blue. All that I didn't have last time when we was making it. So yours is in there. Oh, there it is. It's coming out. Wait. Let me just put it up there. And then it's still fizzing. Just little tiny piece. Oh! I got your piece. Okay, so we're gonna dip the purple one. This is our mom's one. Let's dip it in. Oh! This is all in the. Oh my gosh, this is really fast. See that? It is so loud. Wait. This is the galaxy colors. The bathroom's really good. I really like them. The purple one was the best. It's because it was dry. If you didn't look at the other, our other video, look at it. Look at the other video. If you haven't looked at the other video, go check it out. And then we have, and so yeah, and it was really good. I really like the purple one the most because it was just
I like my pink one.
Comment and subscribe. Bye.